Hello guys, how are you all doing? This is your Dr. Vantari Shiva. Today we are going to discuss about a trick to remember the electromagnetic spectrum. Generally, many students face difficulty to remember the order of these electromagnetic waves and the ranges of different waves. Okay, let's get started. The story is a cooked one and it's based on a famous cricketer, Yuvraj Singh. So you all know that he was suffering from lung cancer for some time. Unfortunately, he has come out of it. Okay, so the story is like this. When he was suffering from cancer, his assistant actually has come to me looking at the name Dr. Vantari Shiva. He might have thought that he might be a famous doctor, but of course neither I was a MBBS doctor. I have done a PhD, as you all know. Basically the story goes like this. I told him that okay fine, I didn't want to disappoint him, and I told that get the X-ray of UV X-ray report. I said UV means uracing, you all know, right? Get the X-ray of UV. I must read. This is what I told him. Of course, this is the trick actually. Get G for gamma rays, X stands for X-rays, U stands for ultraviolet, V stands for visible light, I stands for IR rays, M stands for microwaves, and R stands for radio waves. Now you all know this is the maximum our like our NAC dyes can see from 380 nanometers to 780 nanometers, and that's what we call it as visible light. Understand? So this is from gamma rays to radio waves. This is the increasing order of wavelength, and in the same from gamma rays to radio waves, energy decreases or frequency also decreases. Right? This is how you can remember the order. Now let us see the ranges. Okay, visible light is starting from here, means ultraviolet rays must be ending here at this wavelength. Okay, and infrared rays must be starting at 780, as visible light is ending here. Right, this much you can remember. Now all the other waves will be having something like multiplication of 3 now. So see, this is the 10 power minus 9 meters. It is what it is starting with. Ultraviolet rays starts from few nanometers to 380 nanometers, and now X-rays must be ending at this wavelength, because the ultraviolet rays are starting from there, and X-rays must be, I mean, they are starting from 10 power minus 12. You can see minus 9, minus 9, minus 12. They are all multiples of 3 now, right? If gamma rays, if X-rays are starting from 10 power minus 12, gamma rays must be ending at 10 power minus 12, or you can say gamma rays will be having wavelength range less than 10 power minus 12 meters, right? Next, let's go back to our microwaves. So the microwaves, I mean, here you can see that infrared rays are starting from 780 and ending at 30 micrometers. You can see that it's a multiple of 3 now, 30 into 10 power minus 3. And if infrared rays are ending at this much wavelength, microwaves must be starting at this wavelength now, 30 micrometers, and microwaves ends at a few millimeters, and radio waves are must be starting from 10 power minus 3 meters, right? That's it. More than this, and till a few meters, that is the range of radio waves. So this is how you can remember the electromagnetic spectrum and its order and the ranges of wavelengths. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much for watching. See you once again in the next video. Thank you all.